Hello, I'm doing a what I eat in a day video today. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher Blue plan to lose 125 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name's Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm going to take you on what I ate in a day, and we'll see what I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So follow along with me if you'd like to see what I eat in a day on my Weight Watcher journey on the WW Blue plan. So today, I'm starting off with my daily walk. My goal every day is to get 10,000 steps. So I start off in the morning, usually getting around a 3,500 step walk in before I have breakfast. So after the walk, I will join you for breakfast. Today's breakfast, I'm making some pancake sausage muffins from Kodiak Cakes Buttermilk pancake mix. So come on along and I'll show you how I make them. The ingredients for the sausage pancake muffins include the Kodiak Cakes Buttermilk Flapjack and Waffle Mix. Then I'm going to need some baking powder and some salt, 3 eggs, some maple extract, and some turkey sausage crumbles, and some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and last but not least, some monk fruit sweetener. So I'm going to take a bowl, and then I will take 1 cup of the Kodiak cake mix, and to that I will add 1 tablespoon of the baking powder. And then I'm going to add about 3 pinches of salt. I mixed them up a little bit, and then I added 3 eggs and 1 tablespoon of the maple extract. And then I added 1 teaspoon of the monk fruit sweetener and 1 cup of the almond milk. Then I mixed it up with the whisk until it was pretty smooth. And then I added the crumbled sausage, which is about 1 cup. I had a little less because I had the rest of the bag. So I just wanted to get rid of them. And then I mixed them up. I will fill the muffin pan. I use a silicone muffin pan. It's really nice. It doesn't stick. I'll put a link to it below. And this recipe makes 12 muffins. I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees. I bake the muffins for about 16 minutes and then they'll come out nicely browned. And then I pop them out of the muffin pan and I'll have a nice tray of muffins. There is 12 of them. They are 1 point for 1, 3 points for 2, and 4 points for 3, and I serve them with some sugar-free maple syrup. Yummy. So this morning I'm having breakfast outside by the pool. I have my iced coffee and my sausage muffins. They are so good. For 3 of them, I'm having 3. They are 4 points, and I have it with 0 points worth of sugar-free maple syrup. And these are real good. I made 12 of them, 12 muffins. I call them sausage pancake muffins, and I have 12 of them, so I usually eat 3 at a time for the morning, and I can throw them right in the freezer and pop them out whenever I want them, and they freeze well, so it's a good thing to make. And they're so tasty because they have little bites of the sausage in it. It's like having a handheld pancake, except it's a muffin. And I will post the recipe below so you can make them at home. So these sausage pancake muffins are 4 points for 3 muffins, and it's 0 points for the sugar-free maple syrup and 1 point for my iced coffee. So that makes a 5-point breakfast to start the day. See you at lunch. Now I'm going to be making some pizza for lunch, a flatbread out of a low point tortilla. I use a light Italian herb flat out. It's 2 points each. I will put it on my non-stick baking sheet, and then I'm going to spray it with a little bit of olive oil. I bake it before I put the toppings on for about 8 minutes at 400 degrees just to get it a little crisp. And before that, I sprinkle it with some garlic powder to give it extra flavor. Comes out of the oven, I will top it with some ragu pizza sauce. I use about 1/4 of a cup, and I will spread that around. If you don't like that much, you can change it. And then I'm going to add some fat-free mozzarella cheese to it. I used just about 1/3 of a cup. I put 1/4 of a cup on the pizza, and then I will put some toppings on the pizza. I'm chopped up some red onions, and I will use 14 slices of turkey pepperoni. You can really use whatever you want on the pizza. Then when that's done, I will just sprinkle another tablespoon or so of the mozzarella cheese and put it in the oven for about 8 minutes until the cheese melts. Then I'm going to use a pizza cutter to cut the pizza into 4 slices, and I will serve it up. It is so good, and it is a great substitute for regular pizza. And you can use any crust. There's other tortillas like an ole wrap for 1 point, but I like this because it's seasoned a little bit, and then I do add the extra garlic. For lunch, I made this pizza. It is, I believe, 4 points. I'll put the points for sure on the screen. And a Diet Dr. Pepper cream soda. And that's my lunch for today. There you go, a nice cheesy pepperoni pizza. You can have pizza, you just make substitutes. You can have any food on Weight Watcher, you just make substitutes. And you still get the good taste. See you at dinner. I'm making some sweet Italian style chicken sausage I bought at Trader Joe's. It's 3 points per sausage. I'm browning it in a pan with some frozen peppers and onions. Italian sausage sandwich out of the sausage. I served it on a 1 point piece of bread. Then I made a pasta salad with Fiber Gourmet pasta. I added some vegetables like celery and cucumbers, 2 tablespoons of light Olive Garden dressing, and this dinner was so yummy. And then I added mozzarella cheese, 1 on the side, 1 on the bread. I took a little walk, and then I came back and had some ice cream. This is so good. So I just got done with my walk, and I'm taking a little snack break. I have 2/3 of a cup of the cold brew mocha ice cream for 4 points, and I topped it with a little touch of sugar-free chocolate and sugar-free caramel, and 1 tablespoon of sugar-free Cool Whip. And that's my snack for the evening. If you haven't tried that ice cream, that mocha cold brew, it is so good. It is Archer Valley by, and I bought it at Target. And eating it with the caramel and a little bit of sugar-free chocolate and the sugar-free caramel and a little bit of sugar-free Cool Whip made it taste like a iced coffee from Starbucks and in a bowl, and it was so good. You have to try it. So today was a good day. I just hit 500 subscribers on my channel. I'm so excited. I'm halfway to 1,000 subscribers. So that's it for my what I ate in a day on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. I finished with 24 out of 25 points. I did have one extra coffee that I did not show on the video, and that would make me have a 1 point carryover. Trying to eat different foods. I like to try different things and different recipes in order to get my food that I like in. I don't like to eat the same thing all the time. Didn't do too much today. I was working around the house, but I did get my walking in and my 1 gallon of water I'm just finishing up for the night. Please comment below if you're going to try any of these recipes I made today, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.